Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you turn off email notifications on Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening up the website you'll be greeted by this paying page right here, which is the home page where you can find a job and so on. So now the first thing we need to do to be able to turn notifications on is to go ahead and log into your account. So we can do that by clicking the sign in button right here that will appear in the upper right corner. Click on sign in, and after clicking on the sign in, now you can go ahead and enter in your info and log into your account, and after successfully logging in, you'll be back to this main page right here. So guys, now in this page we can go ahead and access our profile. So let's go ahead and access our profile by clicking our profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Click on profile guys, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this new menu of options where you have many options, and you want to select the first one right here that says profile. So guys, in the profile option, you can see all the options you can access. So from this option, now we want to go back to this profile section in the upper right corner, click it again for the menu, and now open up settings. So in the settings option is where we can go ahead and manage our info. So as you can see, we first need to enter our code. And after entering our code, now we can open up our settings option. And here is where we can turn off our email notifications. So what we want to do is look at the left side of the screen where we can see all the options we have, and we want to click on communications settings. So after clicking on communication settings, this will open up these two new options, email and text message, and you want to go ahead and click on email right here. And in the new email option menu, then you can see you can turn off all of the emails that you do not want to get. As you can see, I can turn off this, or turn all of this off guys, so that we will no longer be receiving this email, and you can click the unsubscribe from all commercial emails. So now we have successfully removed all of the emails we are getting, and now we will no longer be getting emails from Indeed. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.